counting color buses. 2-minute fun nursery. One black bus is on the street. Rolling wheels go tweet, tweet, tweet. 2 white buses, shiny and bright, zooming fast from left to right. 3 green buses full of cheer, honking loud so kids can hear. 4 yellow buses, bold and bright, glowing like the morning light. 5 blue buses in a row, moving steady, nice and slow. 6 red buses start to race, each one with a smiling face. 7 purple buses honk and play, riding along the fun highway. 8 pink buses dance and spin, all the children wave and grin. 9 orange buses bounce with fun, chasing rainbows in the sun. 10 rainbow buses side by side, take the kids on a joyful ride. Colors shining bright and new, black, white, green, yellow, blue. Count with me and clap your hands, colorful buses across the lands.
A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for bird, flying ahead. B is for cat, purring so sweet. D is for dog, with paws and feet. E is for elephant, big and strong. D is for frog, hopping along. G is for garden, flowers in a row. H is for hat, that we all know. I is for ice cream, yummy to eat. J is for jump, up on your feet. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for ladybird, stalking the sky. M is for monkey, swinging in a tree. N is for nest, hung for a bee. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for parrot, colorful and bright. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rainbow, shining down. S is for sun, blowing all day. T is for train, chugging away. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, music in the sky. W is for whale, splashing the sea. X is for xylophone, tune